What up, everybody? I'm still at it. I know. This is how my days go, everybody. This is how my days go. My wife always asks, why are you so tired every evening? I'm tired because I do stuff all day. Sometimes it's meaningful, sometimes it's not. I just do stuff. So saw all the things so far that I did, and to going down here to this doggone jetski. It's too flat not to get on this thing, and it's like 83 degrees. So you know what time it is. Flat and 83, and a whole lot of time on my hands. Man, please. And in the same breath, I am going to be reusing this 14-gallon fuel cell to put gas in for the boats, so that we can take the boat out on Memorial Day weekend. Cover off. Alright, let's mount up. Get it back up in here. Out here on this water, y'all. This is why I be tired, everybody. Oh, you can't make this stuff up. I just gotta stay busy, everybody. Me and my nephew, DJ Quay, we had to repair that pier right there. Yeah, you'll see some of the pictures. Man, it was it was a task and a half. And then our neighbor's pier, let's go check that crazy thing out. I don't even know what happened to this. Look at that right there. Oh my goodness. Where does that happen at? That's crazy. There's his net right here. Glad I missed that. But yeah, everybody, check that out right there. What in the heaven happened right here? That's some crazy mess. And then so that he can get to his pots and everything. Oh, I see what happened. This piece right here used to be attached to the side. Right here used to be attached right there. And for whatever reason, it slid forward onto the floating pier. This right here is supposed to be all the way. Hold up, let me zoom out. This right here. Let me get this jet ski stable. Put it in neutral. This right here slid forward, and it's supposed to be right up in here and attached to that pylon right there. That is crazy. And he put these boards right here on so that he can walk across it and get to his fishing gear. I guess the rest of the HOA don't even care, because he got all this net strung out and everything. don't know. It wouldn't be our HOA, that's for sure. No, 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 no. That's my buddy, Mr. Suba, right there. That's my buddy right there. Whenever I need to use his ramp and it's open, he let me use it. That's my guy. Super nice people on the water. You gotta take care of each other when you're out here on this water. You gotta take care of each other. This is our train trestle, everybody. So some of you are from this area, and right here used to be the Ford F-150 plant back in the days, about 15 years ago. Yeah, about 15 years ago, it was the Ford F-150 plant. They closed it down, and now it's Katoan Natty. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. But yeah, there used to be the Ford F-150 plant. Actually, the Ford truck plant. They had some of everything coming out of that plant when it was right there. And now they are some type of marine repair or something. This is the Harbor Park train trestle. Uh-oh. Sound like we have a train coming. Let's hang around. Go. Yes, sir. Norfolk Southern, y'all. How we roll. Harbor Park right here. This is our baseball stadium where the Norfolk Tides play. They are under the Baltimore Orioles. They are under the Orioles. The Norfolk Tide baseball team. This is known as Harbor Park. This site right here, hopefully if everything go well, it will be the site of the Norfolk Casino. Yeah, it's gonna be a casino right down here on the river. Alright, let's head over there. This is the Isimo. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. The Isimo. Stop down here in Waterside Marina. Right now, the ferry dock is being repaired, so they had to actually move the dock down to Harbor Park to let people out there. Where the hard work is right here. Everybody thinks owning the boat and running the boat is easy. Ain't nothing but some work, y'all. Some work, trust me, I know. Right here we have the American Rover. You can take tours on this thing throughout the day. They have a very nice dinner tour. Yeah. And this is Norfolk's Harbor. Got a boat coming in right there. Got us a tugboat right here going up under the Campostella Bridge. Oh, actually, it's just going from one side to the other side, delivering some supplies. This is the part that everybody forget about after you ride your jet ski. This is the part. This is the part. They want to get off, run in the house. You all. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and like this video. Thank you guys for hanging out with me on the water. Stay tuned to our next adventure coming right up. Until next time, deuces.